After we understand the data, next step is to prepare the data. Now data preparation is another important step, because if you do not prepare your data and use the data as a raw data for our modeling, or if you use the raw data directly to our machine learning models, then our model will not perform efficiently. So if you want a model to act accurately, to have a better performance, then you need this step of data preparation. And we are going to discuss about data preparation here. So it is a middle step between modeling and data understanding. So in the data preparation, first of all, we select the right data, because we might have multiple set of a data and all of them might not be relevant to us. So we need to select the right and appropriate or relevant data. That is the first, that is point. Second is the cleaning of a data. So cleaning means making your data into the format that can be used for modeling. Maybe removing or fill in missing data, maybe correcting data errors, making the encoding or coding consistent. So in this way we can see the cleaning of a data takes place. Now in the upcoming videos, we will have a separate video for cleaning the data theoretically, as well as we will do it practically also. So this is the first thing that you need to know as a data scientist, that is how to manually clean your data so that the cleaned data can be used for modeling. And if you use those clean data, then our model will perform efficiently. Now we extend the data. Extend means you increase, you augment, or you create new data from the existing data. Then after you format the data. So formatting the data means putting a data into the format that can be used for training of our model. Now these are the 4 steps that we usually have in the data preparation. Now the next step is the modeling. But before going into the modeling, you have to ask these questions to yourself. If you solve this problem in the previous data preparation steps, then you are ready to go for the modeling. In the modeling, we are going to discuss how to implement the AI algorithms or machine learning algorithms, because now the business problem has been formulated, data has been understood, data has also been prepared, like cleaning the data, selecting the appropriate data. All of these 3 steps we have already learned. Now we use that data that we have just prepared for modeling.